speed or adding mass. So yeah, you it might sound kind of weird, but if every part of your body is weight something, like your arms has a weight, the upper body has another weight, right? The lower body, and imagine if I put my whole body into a punch, even at the same speed and acceleration, the fact that I'm adding all now my body into the punch, the impact is going to be bigger on the target. So understanding that, so understand the mechanics, and if you throw a punch like this, and the simple fact that I'm adding another part of my body, into the punch, now mass increase, mass and acceleration, keeping the same acceleration of your punch, the impact is going to be bigger. Understanding that is great, because now you have a boxer, you have a person that you're training, understanding that if you say that if you're not moving, if you're not stepping in, if you landing your punches without moving in, you're creating damages. But now, if by moving without losing your form, you're putting a little bit more, now your mass increase by adding another component of your body into the motion, the impact, the force, the power is going to be bigger. That's the engineering involved. That's the engineering and physics involved in boxing. It doesn't matter the level of your skills. The more you understand that, the more creative you can be. In a position, in a condition where you want to really hit the person harder, you're going to create more damage in your punch. You say, you know what? If I step in out of it further, if I put more part of my body, I can create more impact. One perfect example I want to do before I close this. Sorry, it's like Mayweather with a pullback. That pullback, if it hasn't been analyzed, it is an increase in power at the point of impact. Once you pull back, as a defensive mode, you pull back and then you come back with a counter. You see, the fact that you pull the body back, you pull your body back, pull, punch come, and then you come back and step in. By stepping in, once again, you're putting your body into, you're putting out more mass into the punch by pulling back, and the angle. Because one thing also that's important to understand in boxing, that's applicable in everything that you do in boxing, is that that the energy cannot be destroyed. Energy can be transformed. So if if I pull back, okay, that motion that I pull back, just to avoid that, I'm adding energy into my body now. It's like a spring. So when I go forward, now I not only just have the body mass, but I'm also adding the motion of another, important part of physics, which is now you got, now you spring back and putting more speed, increasing speed and increasing the motion. And motions, all physics. The faster you go, the more energy that you require, the more impact energy once you impact, and all that combined is really what becomes a true power punches, and by understanding all the little tips and mechanics. Okay, we're gonna continue with this video in another time, probably with some samples, so we can understand really more in depth, because I believe the engineering and boxing are like this. There's so much understanding, so much stuff that you can combine, so you can understand better. God bless you. I'll talk to you.